This video is sponsored by Webull, the #1 online stock broker for new and advanced traders. Webull has the best on-the-go platform, hands down. So if you haven't tried out Webull yet, make sure that you use my link in the description below. And when you sign up and fund your account with any amount, you're going to get 3 free stocks worth anywhere from $3,000 to over $3,000. And then if you're also into crypto, go ahead and activate Webull crypto trading. Do your first crypto trade with at least $1, and you're going to get $5 worth of any of your choice of these crypto coins. So see, when you use Webull, you're already profitable, so make sure to check them out. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Foxtel Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks, and this is another segment of our top 3 option plays this week, where we're just going to go over a few different trades, stock fundamentals, and different strategies that you can do to make it through. Okay, I feel like the channel is asleep right now. Building the Discord, please, you guys, thank you so much for your patience. But if this is your first time watching this video, please make sure that you click that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. Also subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video for you guys. And make sure that you leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these trades. So which ones do you think would be the best? This is how we kind of keep the conversation going, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get into this week's plays. Okay, so the first stock that I want to talk about is AXP. Okay, this is American Express. Swipe the cards, honey. It's Valentine's Day, so I'm pretty sure everybody is using their American Express. I don't know what I'm talking about with that. But anyways, okay, so this is actually a play from Tiblio. They have a new screener called the Golden Cross. First of all, let's just do a short introduction to Tiblio if you haven't seen them before. So, all right, so this is Tiblio, and it's an amazing online service that helps you find the best trading opportunities. They have multiple different screeners for credit spreads, bull and bear squeezes with a lot of trading activity, option sweeps to follow large trades and big money moves, and a lot more for your different trading strategies. There's a trading board so you can log all your trades as soon as you enter. You're gonna get real-time alerts sent straight to your phone and get a good idea of your percentage of wins and losses. You're going to get access to fast market news on any stock, and that's valuable in itself. But the best feature is the community Discord group, where you can exchange trading ideas and get guidance from the Tiblio team. So you can sign up for $34.95 a month. That's less than a tank of gas, but make sure that you sign up with my link and get your first month for 20% off. All right, so make sure you check out Tiblio. But yeah, so this is from Tiblio's Golden Cross screener, and these are essentially bullish moves. Now, just because it has the Golden Cross, that doesn't mean that it's automatically going to be bullish at that time. So we always want to assess the trades, do our due diligence before we actually enter. And we had a Golden Cross on the day chart on February the 7th. So this could be a good time to get in. It had a cross a little bit ago, and sometimes you'll have a wait period before you kind of start to see some good moves. So one thing that I do like about this is the stock has been in a great uptrend since they had a very good earnings. They had a pretty decent earnings back in January. So, I mean, very much so a beat. They're expected to have $1.77 per share, but they're actually bringing in $2.18. That's a really good positive spin on that. Now, you'll see we just hit this high of 198 on the 10th. So it's a few days ago. We had a little bit of a dip, and now it looks, it looks as though it could be forming into continuing that big bullish uptrend. The MACD histogram looks like it's ready to, continue in that bullish trend, with the red kind of lightening up a little bit. And then another thing, the RSI, it's a little bit low, but it looks like it's starting to move back up, so that's a good sign for more bullish movement. So I'm gonna be bullish on this. As far as a target, I would have my target set around 200, at least a little bit higher than this previous high that we just hit a few days ago. So that would kind of be my idea of a good target price. And then as far as my entry target, so going into bullish positions, I would have my entry around 194 for right now, for tomorrow, with these, especially in the volatile market that we're in right now. So going into the options, you can see, okay, the implied volatility is cute. 40, not that bad. I like that. Make sure you're in the single options. Make sure we're in the calls. And the expiration date, it's not going to be too much. Now, this is going to be a March 18th, $210 call. Okay. Very, very much so out of the money. The volume is decent. So this is kind of something that you can do if you see the price moving into that position. And the bid and the ask is very tight, 1.32 to 149. So there's a lot that you can really do with this. Okay, and the next stock is UBER. I guess it's Uber. Okay. And this right now, Uber is trading at $34.59. Now this, and they had a pretty good surprise. So they were expected to be negative 32 cents and they're actually positive 44. So that's a really good move for Uber. Congratulations to Uber. I like Lyft, honestly, but nobody asked, unsolicited opinion. So you'll see we have this, a pretty good move up close to and before earnings. And after that, I mean, it pretty much just dropped down to where it was before. That's something that, that happens a lot. Now, one thing I do like about it, RSI is low, but does that mean anything? Not solely, because you'll see here the RSI can be oversold for a while. We've said that before. So just seeing a low RSI, I'm going to have my target set to 45 plus. So if it starts moving up and it surpasses this high that we have right here around 42. And as far as an entry for this, moving in a little bit closer, I would set my entry around $35.50 to 36. And the reason why I say that is that would just be it moving above the highest point where it reached today. So just seeing it do that, that's a good indication that it is moving bullish, and a bullish I would want to see going into next week. So just looking, or going into the rest of the week. Now looking at the options here, implied volatility is a little bit higher than the American Express. It's actually double, but the prices are lower. So we can really do some really cute moves with these. Like I said, we're gonna do a long call on Uber, and I'm just gonna do the $35 call. So it's a little bit closer, but this is cheaper. And you can pick further out if you wanted to, because the further out actually has more open interest. It has 46,000 on the 37.5 strike price. So it's a little bit further out, of the money, but I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to be safe with 35. I'm going to pick the $35 March 18th call for Uber. Very, very volatile stock. So this is definitely something that we can see some movement with. And lastly is SPY. So this is an index of S&P 500. It's an ETF. And honestly, these are becoming some of my favorite plays to take now. It's just doing spreads or, short-term positions on ETFs. So SPY and QQQ are two of my favorites, but of course there's hundreds of other ones. So this one is actually going to be a slightly bearish to neutral position. Now hear me out on this. This is going to be a SPY call credit spread, and call credit spreads are basically where you're going to have two different options. You're going to set your limits above where the price is, and honestly you would just be profitable as long as the stock stays below where your limits are. So I want to have an SPY call credit spread with our limits up here, and it's going to be between $444 and $443. So with the close expiration date expiring in 2 days on the 8th, or in a few days on the 18th. So we have some time to see what happens with that. So could this stock stay below 443 and 444 by expiration? This is actually a support not long ago. So honestly, it could bounce off of that, but at the same time, it could continue to stay oversold. So that's kind of something that could possibly happen with SPY. We're going to make sure we're in vertical for our credit spread, and the expiration date I'm going to pick is very, very close. It's February 18th, and this is going to be the call. So we're going to scroll down to the 400s, select this, and make sure for the credit spread, it's always in sell in Webull. And so we're going to sell the 443, and then we're going to buy the 444. Now, if you look at this, one thing I do like is with this, we'll have a maximum profit of $43, a maximum loss of 57. So it's kind of giving a 1-to-1 ratio of losses. So this one looks pretty good. I would rather be doing something like this than, making $100 and risking $300 and $700. That's just not what I'm not into that. So these are some interesting positions. So I think that, that you can do a lot with that, just kind of see what goes on. But yeah, make sure that you guys check out this video that we did on day trading options. So a lot of the time I'm day trading options. You can see it in the Discord group. So this video is really going to kind of help you get into day trading, how you can practice and everything like that. So make sure that you guys check out that video, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right.